Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock, Texas 3-point service, body collision repair quote simply entered to a minor car accident? Fret not, we at Auto Body Car Parts. Have your car body component requires covered because we carry every one of the car body vehicle components that you might ever before require consisting of a new fender. We satisfaction ourselves on carrying one of the most varied selection of car body vehicle components in the industry because we believe that our customers ought to not need to stress over mosting likely to an unlimited variety of various shops to obtain every one of their car body component require. Because without you there is no us to talk of, the customer comes initially in our publication. We have actually remained in business for 20 years in one form or another, so we have a globe's well worth of experience to impart on our customers. It is this large experience that establishes us aside from everyone else. Our customer support experts at Auto Body Car Parts. Have that same experience. Ought you have any issue with among your car body vehicle components, all you require to do is either call us straight at 1-855-579-0321 or email us and allow us know. At Auto Body Car Parts. The customer is our top priority. After that all you have to do is call or email us to allow us know, if you find any car body component online from a respectable seller. We will certainly have a look at the information that you have actually offered, and if it is genuine we will happily match that rival price done in the name of offering you, the customer, with one of the most complete satisfaction feasible. This is a distinct feature that you would typically just find at a brick-and-mortar shop, but we believe so highly in our car body vehicle components and in offering the best solution to the customer that we are providing it to you online. Another distinct feature that we provide at Auto Body Car Parts. Is the preferred customer account. This is an account that offers a customer with a benefit for being a repeat buyer. With this account you will certainly receive favoritism what to an issue occur with among your car body vehicle components that you purchased. Again, every one of this is done to offer one of the most complete satisfaction feasible to each of our customers. Because we are constantly looking to improve ourselves to make your patronage also much better. If you have any recommendations or remarks concerning the site, we would certainly value the feedback. Remember, we are here to assist you. Do not be reluctant to call us for any factor, from questions about a particular component to issues with an existing order. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.